Welcome. When you are preparing for your NET examination, paper 1 is an essential part. Now to cover this paper 1, we have covered this in a set of 7 books that you have to comprehensively cover. Of these books, some of these topics are really theoretical, but some of these topics are conceptual. So for example, analytical and logical reasoning, which requires the square of opposition, the concepts related to syllogism, the basics of Indian philosophy are conceptual topics. You must have a proper in-depth understanding for those. So for those topics, you can go on to our modules where we have covered the lectures and refer the lectures for specific topics. But some topics like the fundamentals of geography, polity, computers, the questions related to education, teaching are theoretical. But again here, research is one of the topic which is a little conceptual. Some of the students find it easy, however, some of the students actually face difficulty. For those from non-maths background, elementary maths is definitely conceptual, but for others, this is a easy cup of tea. Now, these are the things that you have to cover for your paper 1. Now, based on your own weaknesses and strength, you would have to identify which of the topics you are good at and for which of the topics you need a better practice. So, accordingly, those content you would have to cover in detail. In our first lecture, we would be covering some of the topics which have been added as part of new syllabus which was revised in 2019 and are really important for you. So to cover those, you have to focus on these topics. So coming on to the list of these topics, we focus on some of the important concepts here. So the first one here, if you can see, is the topics related to Indian philosophy, which was recently added in the syllabus, and this is basically the various concepts of praman, pratyaksh, the types of praman, then the various the basis for knowledge, which includes anuman, hitvabhas, upman, shabd and arthpatti, anuplabdhi. So all of these have been discussed in detail. The Indian fallacies and the Western fallacies. So under hitvabhas, we have covered the Indian fallacies, and the contemporary Western fallacies are again important, which we have covered here. So logic, fallacies, so as we said, formal and informal. So this is the section on Western fallacies or the Western philosophical Western logic, right? And relating it to Indian logic, hitvabhas, a lot of questions are usually asked. So cover those topics carefully. Under computing, the recent topics related to the ways of testing. What are the classical test ways and the item response test, computer based test and computer simulated test. Under education, very important topics have been covered under new syllabus, and these talk about the higher education system in India, in the school as well as college, the ancient schools and colleges being established. Recent examination, the 2023 examination, had lots and lots of questions pertaining to the schools and colleges established under which philosophers and which social reformer belong to which school, and they established which colleges and universities. So those kind of questions are commonly asked. Now this is the assimilation of expanse of knowledge, and definitely for a student it becomes very difficult. So we have compiled it under the section on the recent lectures that we have covered under this topic. So if you go through it, you can check out the sections on teaching, right? And you would see, you can just search 2024 and you would see the topics that have been added. So cooperative learning is one such topic. Look, this is the topic that we were focusing on. The major colleges established during East India Company and British rule. A comprehensive summary of the important sections that you must cover here have been taken into account. So this is the recent edition based on 2023 syllabus, so you have to cover that really carefully. And then some of the basic questions pertaining to environmental education, value education, positivism, post-positivism have been important. So these are the topics that we have covered in the new topics, and the contemporary issues of those have been discussed in the video. So in the lectures page, you can simply search out 2024 and see the recent topics. So this time there was a question on Sridhanya Kattak, which is one of the major ancient universities, rarely mentioned in some of the texts. So those kind of concepts we have tried to bring it for you in a a comprehensive manner. Cover these carefully, extremely important for your this year examination. We'll be covering other modules for the paper 1 in the separate lectures. Stay tuned.